Have you guys seen these little ceramic jars? These are so cute. So they have the acorn, they also have the pumpkin. These are $1.50. So cute, movie groovy. And if you thought that was something, honey, take a look at this one. So this is the white pumpkin. Oh my goodness, delightful. $1.50. These must be sold out real quick because they have like about 4 of these left. Can we say movie groovy? Movie groovy. Honey, they might as well say Dollar Tree is dollar plus plus. Okay, I like it though. It's good. They have so many new items. Honey, Dollar Tree is just showing out. Look at this. The silicone popsicle stick holders. You get 2 of these for $1.50. They got that red sticker. I was about to say $1.25. They also have the pink one as well. And these are the only 2 colors they have. I heard you guys was looking for some new items, okay? Did you guys see this? All right, the Eco 2 rose quartz. Honey, $1.25. You cannot make this up. Fancy, pantsy, Nancy. Let's get into this haul. Now listen, I'm gonna have to deliver. That's all I can do for you folks, okay? I can only deliver, and I can bring you the Steal Deals Field Trills for real. Hey, good looking. Honey, I'm talking to you, okay? I know you thought I was talking about me, honey, yeah. But listen, have you guys seen these? The Eco 2, honey, now Dollar Tree is definitely fancy. This is the Clean Beauty, Clean Planet Infused Facial Sponges. Rose they have in here infused and also charcoal. Now if you know anything about activated charcoal, honey, is the thing like a chicken wing. You get 2 of these for $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now Dollar Tree, of course, they have the Halloween decor out, like these fancy ceramic candy boxes right here. These are $5. They also have these, honey, I never know how to pronounce these. Corduran, I think that's how you pronounce it, ceramic. Oh, this one is really movie groovy. This is $5. They also have this decor right here. This is cool. I like this. Oh no, honey, this is $7. They also have this one as well. Poisons and curses. And this is $7 as well. This is cute. Now, when it comes to the skull heads, absolutely love the skull heads. This is the LED lighted ceramic skull head. This is nice, honey. This goes right with this. Really good. This is exactly why I love coming to this Dollar Tree, because they have stuff that other Dollar Trees may not have, may never have. Now, this really is cool. This is the core, but it lights up and it says boo. Now, these are $7. They also have these frames over here that are $7 as well. More decor. Honey, this whole shelf is pretty much, you might as well say $7. Oh, this is cute. I like this one. This is nice. Lighter than a feather. Oh yeah, this is $7. This is lighter than a feather, honey. My loves, let me tell you something. It feels like I'm in Five Below right now. I cannot make this up. You want to know why? Because Dollar Tree is now carrying posters. Yes. Now, I know some Dollar Trees, they have posters, but this is the first time I came to this one. And it's giving. Check this out. All right, so Dollar Tree said, listen, we coming for all your coins. They have these posters, this bluey one. Oh my goodness, so cool. All posters are $5. They have Superman, little dog, okay, dragon, Colossus, T-Rex. Oh, child. Let's get into this, shall we? Look at this. They also have Stitch. Oh, look at the little cat. Honey, I'm trying to move back so you can see exactly where it's at. They also have the anime. Oh, look at this. Dollar Tree is really out here showing out. Look at Star Wars. They also have, honey, superheroes, okay? The whole superheroes. This is really cute. Lincoln Park. Oh my goodness. Look at, child, they out here moving and grooving. Call of Duty, Black Ops, the Avengers, but now come on, Dollar Tree, really? Come on now, really, Dollar Tree? One things. Oh, my children, they would have a ball with that one. Ooh. The braver you are, the more you will see. Ooh, I like this. Don't worry, be Cappy. There's been a grave misunderstanding, Corpse Bride. Child, Dollar Tree is doing it. Oh, look at this, Stranger Things. If you guys are not watching Stranger Things, I don't know what's wrong with you, honey. They also have strawberry shortcake. Let's roll. Look at that. This is cute. Honey, they movie groovy. Now, Dollar Tree had brought back these Beauty Intuition shadow palettes, the smoky browns. Now, this is $1.25. They also have this one, the Purple Dreams. This is $1.25. And look at Dollar Tree being fancy, okay, with the Eco Tools, Clean Beauty, Clean Planet, Mini Rose Quartz, Roller. Honey, get into it. Now, Dollar Tree also have this blush serum, cheek and lip color, nourishing water base. Now, normally when the items are in packages like this, that normally means that it's a name brand, but it doesn't say on here. I can't make that word out. Blush serum. This is $1.25. This is for lips and also cheeks. Now, honey, this gives me fancy. So, Dollar Tree also have these elegant style. Look, these little hair clips, the strong grip hair rings is $3 for $1.25. They also have this clear yellow looking one, $1.25 as well. Now, if you guys have not tried this yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. So this is the dupe. They sell the actual one at Sephora. Now, I have this one. It smells good. And I thought at first, I said, you know what, this might be all thick in the summertime, but it's really, really good. It's not as thick as I thought it would be. This is $1.25 pistachio and caramel for $1.25. Still deal. Now, another new item that Dollar Tree has is the BDS sunscreen, SPF 30 sunscreen lotion, and this is $1.25 as well. Look at this. Honey, try to tell me they ain't fancy. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you lovelies are having such a glorious day. So today we are in Bloomfield, New Jersey, going inside of the Dollar Tree. Hopefully they have something in here to have us move our feet to the beat out in these streets. I know they are, okay? I just have faith, all right? Message for today is this. Honey, stop selling yourself short. You're selling yourself short. You keep on coming up with all these reasons why you're not qualified. I need you to get in the game. I'm going to need you to put some skin in the game. Like Coach would say. Coach, who is Coach? Honey, coaches don't listen. Put some skin in the game. Now, with that being said, let's go inside. Up, honey, Dollar Tree is letting you know loud and clear. Honey, we got the back to school items. Now, Dollar Tree also have these smoothie masks. This is blueberry extract, helps purify your skin. They also have the mango smoothie mask and also the watermelon. Honey, this is just making me think of fruit that I want to eat. These are $1.25. And look at the little pouches that they come in. And this is from Miss Spa. Now, this is the only Dollar Tree that I have been to that sells decoy security doorbell cameras. And this kind of put me in the mind of the Ring. I see to install, no wiring needed. And it takes 2 AAA batteries, and it comes in white and also in black. Now, I had heard from a young lady yesterday when I was in a Dollar Tree. She said this is really, really good power oxygen base cleaner to get rid of stains and stuff out of your clothes. This is $1.25 Oxidol. Now, one of the things that's really, really good that's going to get stains out of your clothes, this lady who used to live next to me, She said that her son-in-law had wasted Hennessy on his pants, like I guess the whole bottle almost, and she had used it. All right, my loves, they don't have their cleaning product here, but it was awesome. The yellow one, they said that's really, really good. In other news, now Dollar Tree has these Brillo Basics, one size fits all, textured grip, price, texture, multi-purpose, one pair. I absolutely love these gloves. They have the red. They also have the yellow and gray and white. These are so, so fancy. And honey, they are as big as your whole arm. These are $1.25. Another item that's really, really good, if you looking to remove stains instantly, it would definitely be the OxyClean. This is $1.50. Lysol Hygienic 2 weeks freshness, honey, this is by far the best of the best. $1.25. Honey, don't create a mess. Other items that smell absolutely amazing: sweet peach nectar, $1.25. The strawberry and cream, honey, can't get enough of this. This is $1.25. The amber rogue is really, really good. Shower gel, love this, from Power Stick, $1.25. Now, they also have the coconut scented vanilla, the sweet pineapple melon. Oh, my goodness, heaven. They also have the sea salt and cedar. These are all $1.25. You looking for some body washes and you on a budget, honey, come on down to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is carrying Onyx Bath House, all right, which is definitely a name brand. But these 4 bath bombs, these are for PMS. Okay, naturally helps relieve pain and other PMS symptoms. Eucalyptus. You get 4 of these bath bombs for $1.25. They also brought this bag. This is the Cherry Blossom Scent Body Scrub. Now, this one, the Love Struck, honey, when I tell you this smells just like Victoria's Secret Love Spell, $1.25. Honey, I ain't see these in a minute. And then they also have these body washes over here. Now, honey, I don't do these body washes, okay? Just FYI, like these, honey, I just don't. I know you may say, Dina, but you do the other ones. I know I do the other ones, but it's just something about this, especially putting it on my vape for JJ. Now, I had heard that these juices are so good. Wait, hold on, child. I'm saying I had heard. Honey, I had these. Okay, in the big, no, it was the Wouchers one. But they said this is so good that it tastes just like apple. Let us know in the comment section. Honey, I buy so many new items. I don't know if I had this stuff or didn't have it. Sometimes I say I didn't have it, and honey, I done had it. But let us know in the comment section how this is. This is $1.25. Now, item of the week is these fancy pansy backpacks. I don't think I seen these at my store. These are $5. Really, really cool. All back to school items, Dollar Tree has them definitely in the front. Okay, the Westcott, you get 2 pairs of scissors for $1.25. I just got to check the price. White glue, they also have these crayons, 48 crayons. I wonder if these like the cheap ones. You know the cheap crayons that they give you like when you would go to McDonald's before, back in the day, right? And those crayons barely will color, right? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe, wait, hold on, chill. Let me just see. Oh, yeah, I think these the cheap ones. But 48 for $1.25. Honey, you better press hard when you're coloring. Now, they also have these colored pencils. Let me see how many. You get 12 for $1.25. The 8 washable markers, $1.25. And then they also have the Play School washable crayons, 36 for $1.25. Dollar Tree also have these fancy water bottles. Now, they also have these water bottles. I keep saying water bottles, but the truth of the matter is I think you could put pretty much anything in here. Now, I was saying $1.25, but honey, I think these are $1.50. And they come in different colors. These are really, really cool to have to give your children, especially for school. you know. And then they also have these plastic ones at the top, the larger ones, and I believe those are $1.50. These are all BPA free. These are the rest of the back to school items. They have binders, they have the little mini composition books, so your children could jot down their homework. You know them kids be saying they ain't got homework when they do. Tap into your creativity. These journals, really, really cool. Absolutely love these. Honey, I just see a bunch of journals. They also have the binder pouches over here. Let me see. They have the composition books over here. They have these 1-inch vinyl binders. And then some more notebooks at the bottom. These are $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree has more backpacks over here. These are $5. They also have the multi-purpose organizers that comes in different colors, about 4 different colors, the pink, the purple, the blue, and the green like a chicken wing. They also have these backpacks over here that are $5 as well. If you are looking for some highlighters, some pens, some mechanical pencils, erasers, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. Double-sided tape. Hey. They also have the double pencil cases. These are $1.25 as well. Magnetic locker box pockets. These are $1.25. Now, they sure know how to bring in enough for organizing stuff. These are the interlocking desk organizers. 5 you get for $1.25, and they come in different colors. Index cards, $250 for $1.25. Now, let me tell you something. You see this? This is weird. Yeah, they have these yardsticks. This is so cute. Oh, I absolutely love this. Yes. These are $1.50. They also have the maple oak garland. These are $1.50 as well. Just know the prices is all going up, all right? Hollow 4 decor, $1.50. They also have these gorgeous table toppers, which says farm fresh, hot, apple cider. Ooh, look at that. Now, if you guys are looking for some oval tubs, all right, Dollar Tree definitely has some. Now, these are really cool if you having a cookout, you going on the beach, which I don't know who gonna be tuggling this big heavy thing. Of have drinks and stuff in here. Now, it's not heavy, you know, without the drinks and stuff. But, honey, once you put the drinks in. Now, these are $5. They come in multiple colors. Absolutely love these. They also have these over here, the 10-gallon tub. These are $5 as well. They also have the dispenser and tumblers. These are $5. You get 1 dispenser and then 4 tumblers. The tumblers is the cups. I don't know why they just don't say cups. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 14-piece round food containers. These are $5. I think that's definitely a steal deal. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Mine's definitely was the ceramic, those little jars, the pumpkins, the white and gold one. Honey, it was absolutely divine. Really gorgeous. Now, with that being said, good looking, what's cooking? Now, let me know in the comment section what other items that you guys would want to see from the Dollar Trees. I asked that last night while I was doing the live, and you guys ain't really say too much. Okay, all right, so with that being said, I love you guys. Keep rocking out, believing in yourselves, keep going, keep growing. Until next time.